Hello, I'm Batu, and today we're going to be talking about the Acumatica P3M's energy module. All right, now let's head to our dashboards and let's click on energy. And first thing we're going to be reviewing is the energy overview. So under energy overview, as you can see, we're going to be seeing machine called machine 1. In 60 minutes, we can see the total energy consumption. We can also see the CO2 emissions in 60 minutes for this machine 1 as well. And on the right, we can see the graph for the power consumption for inside this packaging line. Below that, we have the same machine, but instead of having 60 minutes, now we say 7 days. So as you can see here on the left, we can see the energy consumption for last 7 days for the specific machine 1. Again, we can also see the CO2 emission in 7 days for this machine 1 as well. Next, we're going to be talking about energy in 5 machines. So this is the same concept, but instead of seeing just one machine, in here we see 5 machines at the same time. As you can see, machine 1, and you can also see the energy consumption for that specific machine. And on the right, we have the graph, and below that, we can also see the line chart in packaging line as well for the power consumption. And the same concept goes with every other machine as you see here right now, the same as machine 2, machine 3, machine 4, and machine 5. Lastly, under energy, we're going to be talking about energy production versus standby time. So under here, we have a pie chart. Under this pie chart, we can see how long were the machines were running for. So they've been running for 3 days, 2 hours, 25 minutes, and 47 seconds. We can also see the total standby time, which is 4 hours, 16 minutes, and 9 seconds. We can also see our total shutdown time for the machines as well. So they've been shut down for 25 minutes and 47 seconds. On the right, we can see the total energy consumption in packaging line in here. And below that, we can see the total CO2 emission in packaging line as well. This is the amount. And again, below that, we have the graph of the packaging line for the power consumption. And that sums up the energy module inside the Acumatica P3M. Thank you.